Bro, Kobe White can hoop, bro. Any team in trade for
Okay.
Kobe White right now, bro. Any
You
team.
right.
I go to Lakers
Right.
would.
You right.
Lakers ass would.
And
He
they
a
gonna be
walking bucket,
ass
bro.
when he come over here.
Kobe White a walking bucket, bro.
Now he a walking, but I can't even tell you
Nigga,
when
you
the
heard
last
what
time I
Kendrick
watched the
Perkins said that
Bulls
one
game.
day. You heard what Kendrick Perkins said that one day. I traded everybody but Kobe White. He the only one consistent. Yeah, bro.
Nah, Zach LaVine decent too, bro.
Yeah, Zach LaVine. Well, he already got his status, though, bro.
Lonzo, they got a solid team, bro. They do. They just gotta win.
Hey, yeah, we up. Damn, why can't busting through this bitch?
See what's up?
Why
There you go.
can't busting through this bitch, bro?
There you go. There you go, Wyatt. What's up?
Why saying fuck it? Don't lock no more locked doors.
Hey, somebody down here, bro.
Well, I'm gonna fuck up down here. Y'all stay down there. I'm gone. Opening this up, I'm like one of they guys go. Yeah.
What you did? Nah, look, they was coming out there.
Are you a couple?
What up, bro?
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Hey, Gay Warrior, what you gonna try to touch, bro? What you gonna try to do? Oh shit! Oh shit!
Help!
Shit! Never mind. Shoot, let me focus on what the fuck I gotta do. Hold on, bro. Hold on. Whoa, whoa. She wanna swerve on that quarter, bro.
I just locked that nigga Johnny out, bro. I just locked his ass out. Hey, bro, look, the letter open, bro.
What's that over there?
That nigga just whooped my ass, boy.
This nigga can't play it. Nah, bitch.
Bring it. Bring it. Hey, you can go up there on the thing, bro. Oh, who's this? Oh, that's Wyatt. What up, Wyatt? What up, Wyatt? I'm getting up out of here. Oh, shit! That motherfucker coming back. Let's throw the ass out there, bitch. Like, get your bitch ass on, nigga. Get your bitch ass on over there. Bro, Johnny the only motherfucker who crazy, bro.
No, Hands is too.
Which door is open?
Shit, none, bro.
Oh, hey, this door open right here, bro. Right here. Where you at? Where you at, bro? Let me see where you at.
Okay, we die.
I see you. Right here, bro. Right here. No. Okay, well, you can go back there. Go ahead and get us out. Shoot, go back there.
Come on,
Thank
motherfucker.
you.
Get your ass on. Oh, shit. Johnny ass is crazy. Oh,
I told
fuck.
you, bro. Johnny crazy as fuck, boy.
Johnny Lady.
Well, you got battery?
Oh, shit. Damn.
Yeah, she coming down. She said, Anna said, don't go up there, huh? Okay, I ain't gonna go up that way then. These motherfuckers different, bro.
I stabbed Grandpa for us, y'all.
That's it. Oh, look at this
Come on,
nigga.
Sonny, man. Get your scary ass on, nigga.
Hey, bro, look. You the only motherfucker getting chased.
Yeah, nigga, I need some heals. Damn, y'all took all the quick shit.
You fuck this, you going out. Who behind me?
Ain't no heals down here, bro? Yeah,
Oh,
there's
I
another
don't
one.
know. I'm gonna go upstairs, though. Oh, shit. Whoever this is, go back down. Go the fuck back down, bro. Hey, Anna, go back down, bro. This motherfucker guarding the thing. He a bitch, bro.
The battery exit. The outdoor is open.
God, you get away from me!
Bro, Johnny a bitch, bro.
But hand is dead. I can get it.
Johnny a bitch, huh? Look at hands. Big bitch. Nah, I'm gonna stab your fat ass. Get your fat ass away from me, bitch.
Oh.
You gotta bust this motherfucking door down to get to me, bro.
Why Grandpa is... Can you reduce Grandpa's level? There's no way.
Somebody come
They
get
coming
strawberry.
out. I'm dead, nigga. They chasing me. All three of them.
You be lying, bro.
Nigga, I'm dead.
You said all three of them chasing you. Nigga, all three of them can't be chasing you.
Nigga, look at Anna. Look what Anna had, bro. Look, Anna get her ass kicked up. Look, boom, boom, boom.
I can't do anything.
I get this word. Oh, fuck! That's what I be saying, nigga. Stop fucking lying on your life, nigga. Come on! You lying, nigga. How the fuck they all chasing you, nigga? How the fuck they all chasing you, nigga? Their hands big ass back here. So lying ass. That's what I be saying. Your ass be lying, boy. Always fucking lying. Nigga lying. He lying and shit. You step on me.
Oh God. Where am I? What is this place? I wonder where this goes. Finally. Oh my God! I'm right here, Connie! There's gotta be something I can use around here.
You look like you've been through hell. Maybe we can help you.
Okay, Anna. Stay calm. You can use this. Locks, maybe? Lockpick. Thank God. Pay more attention, Anna. I think I can make it.
I'll find you.
Oh no. Did they see me? What is this?
Damn. Not again.
You get away from me!
Can't nobody stop what's coming now.
Oh God! Why? Why? over there. Okay, Anna. Stay calm. You can use this. Locks, maybe? Looks like some kind of lock. Can I get through there? Julie! Julie! I'm right here!
Hey, Anna, over here.
That can't be.
I'm sorry. Here. Oh my god. Thank you. What is this? Yes, yes. Please fit in that lock. Please. Thank you. I might be able to break those locks now.
Hi there.
No! That was too loud. I should see what that is.
They gonna find that pretty.
Okay, stay quiet. I'm right there. That's it, Anna. Stay hidden. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. It seems I've lost them. Finally, they left. I need to find the others. Please, God, help me. They left. Finally. I hope the others are okay. Oh, God. Why? I'm so sorry. Are they gone? I think I'm okay. For now. Stay away from me.
I can't get away. Think.
Yes.
Is your leg
Come on.
stuck?
Come on.
What was that thing?
It hurts.
Was that a person?
But I have to keep going. You get away from me. Someone, please help me. I'm not sure I can make it. Finally, I can use this. Thank you, Lord. Please, God, help me. They left. Finally. I hope the others are okay. Are they gone? I think I'm okay. For now. Did I lose them? Please, God, let them be gone. Oh, thank the Lord. Help us. I gotta be more quiet. Ah!